Rate law and rate constant. Rate law. The rate expression written on the basis of balanced equation does not give the true rate of the reaction. The true rate of expression of a reaction can be obtained only on the basis of the experimental data. The mathematical expression which describes the experimentally observed dependence of the reaction rate on the molar concentration of the reactants are called the rate law or rate equation. The rate law describes the true dependence of the rate of reaction on the molar concentration of the reactants. In the rate law, the rate of reaction is expressed in terms of the product of the molar concentration of the reactant, with each concentration term raised to the power describing the true dependence of the rate on which the concentration. This power may or may not be same, that is A, B, C. What is the stoichiometric factor? The experimental values are P, Q and R. A may not be equal to P, or sometimes A may be equal to P. B may not be equal to Q, but B may be equal to Q. C may not be equal to R, but may be equal to R. Therefore, this is the condition in the stoichiometric that we derive the law called rate law. As the stoichiometric coefficient of the reactant in the balanced chemical equation, a, small b, small c are the stoichiometric factors of the balanced equation, and P, Q, R are the values that you determined experimentally. These are the two differences between small ABC and P, Q and R. For example, let us take an example. 2N2O5 decomposes and gives 4NO2 and oxygen. The rate of reaction is experimentally found to be directly proportional to the molar concentration of N2O5. Therefore, the rate law of this reaction can be written as rate is directly proportional to N2O5 only. There is no concentration raised to the power 2 as it is given as a stoichiometric factor in the balanced equation. Therefore, this is found to be correct rate of reaction. This equation can also be written as rate is equal to K into, that means proportionality is changed by equal to K into N2O5, concentration of N2O5 only. Experimentally, it has been observed that the rate of this reaction gets doubled when the concentration gets doubled. That means by experiment it is proved that if you are putting a 2 here, the rate is getting doubled. You are not getting the normal rate. Therefore, this rate equation is found to be more perfect than the equation what is using the stoichiometric factors. The rate law can written above, the rate law written above agrees with this fact. That means this is the correct rate of reaction.